So, opening night of Seoul Winter Festa. So many photo booths, and here's the Christmas market, and also here a Christmas market. They are doing something here, I don't know what. Some media art installation by the Sejong building. Partner booths. Let's go to the market. Of course, there's Hechi. Oh, I see Lion King. Mufasa opening on December 18th. I wonder if I could still enter. My wish is so easy. We're gonna go hang my wish to the tree. Thank you. So that was the Lion King Mufasa promo booth. They have an SNS event. Now let's enter the Christmas market. Here you could buy many things, cute things related to Christmas or for gifting. More photo booths. More photo booths. More stores. Oh, look at the facade of the National Museum of Korean Contemporary History. They also got Christmas displays. Sorry. Untitled Ha Jung-woo. Merry Christmas. Oh, it has some sound. Solite Kwang Hamun. This is like a party place with techno sound. You could actually dance inside. Let's go. Doom, 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 doom. There goes the ambulance. Geometric molecule. It also has some sounds. Excuse me. Ayan, inuubo na. Gala pa ng malamig. Can I go inside? I guess I can. Oh, awesome. Ooh, the moon. So this is the geometric molecule. Now we emit the light. Emit your light. Oh, move your body. It emits your light and it shows your image. Let's try, let's try, let's try. So that is me in the white to erase. Waving, 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 waving. And second frame is move your body. Let's move, 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 move. So the dancers would love this. And the last one, emit your light. Woo, I love it. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, whoa, look at my light. And look at theirs. And now we go to Hechi and the Gwanghwamun Soul Light. So what we miss is the opening concert. I don't know who performed. Wish lights. At the background is Gwanghwamun Facade Soul Light. Some laser and light show with music displayed on the front gate of Gwanghwamun Palace, Gyeongbokgung Palace. Let's go check it out. Woo, my hands are already freezing. My fingers are cold. But doing it for you guys, especially for those who cannot come here yet. I'm sure you're gonna have your time and opportunity in the near future. Let's go to this central stage. Oh, I remember watching this last year and it was actually snowing. So it was so magical. Shout out to Horizon who shot their music video here. A Shining Light. Is that the end? Directed by David someone. 3D artist. So guys, go check out the Sol Winterfesta ongoing until January 5, 2025. It just opened tonight, December 13. Elemento Symphony. Oh, there's one more display. My battery is down to 5%. So when this suddenly turns off, you know what happened. But thank you guys for watching. If you like what you saw, kindly press the like button, leave a comment. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Kamsahamnida. Salamat po. Looks like an alien. Sorry. We're gonna come closer, we're gonna cross the street.